1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I've been throwing down the whiskey. I ought to get my money back. Someone said it drowns the memory. But it ain't doing jack. Yeah, I've been sipping, I've been buzzing, shooting doubles like it's nothing, but nothing makes you go away. I need something you proof, something stronger than I'm used to. Yeah, I've been pulling 90 to 100, feels like nothing's gonna cut it, that's the hard truth. Yeah, I need something you proof. I need something you proof. Put him up to the shutting him down, yeah. You never ain't not around, yeah. Don't matter what time or town, I can't get you going. Turn the ball, yeah, upside down. Just looking for something that does it. I give up on my money. Ain't nobody selling nothing. You prove something stronger than I'm used to. Yeah, I've been pulling 90 to 100. Feels like nothing's gonna cut it. That's the hard truth. Yeah, I need something you prove. Oh, I need something you prove. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, I've been mixing liquors trying to get you going. Oh, but I must be doing something wrong. 'Cause I've been working hard to fade your memory. Baby, but the only thing faded is me. I need something you prove, something stronger than I'm used to. Yeah, I've been pulling 90 to 100, feel like nothing's gonna cut it, that's the hard truth. Yeah, I need something you prove. Oh, I need something you prove. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Enya Music for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this awesome concert-sized Nova ukulele. And by the way, it's made out of carbon fiber, so it's very travel-friendly, sturdy. It's not going to warp in different weather conditions. And also, it comes in a bundle with some strings, a strap, and other accessories that are going to enhance the way you play this instrument. So click that link in my description box below and grab a hold of your Nova ukulele today. Again, thanks for checking out this channel. And by the way, if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another of my ukulele play-along videos I know you're going to enjoy, and I really hope you break out your ukulele and jam along with me. So click that link right over there, and I'll see you in the next video.